Hello traders, and welcome to the course. I am excited to have you as my student, and I can assure you that you have made a great decision by taking this course, because I will teach you a lot and I will give you something precious, my robots that performed the best in the previous month, and I will keep doing it, so you will constantly receive new robots that are performing well in the current market conditions. The course is suitable for beginners and advanced traders. There will be a section for the beginners where I will introduce you to the forex market, to algorithmic trading and robots. You will learn why it is better to use robots and how much easier it is. Many people think that algorithmic trading is something very complicated, and it used to be. In the past, we had to learn how to program, to automate a strategy and create a robot or hire developers to do it for us. And I did that. It was very time consuming and expensive. But nowadays we have professional software that allows us to do it all without programming skills, and in addition it allows us to generate new strategies. I will show you the whole process and I will share the strategies as robots with you. You will learn which is the most suitable trading platform for algorithmic trading and how I test the robots step by step. At the end of the course, you will be able to download the robots and test them for yourself. In some lectures, you will find attached resources that will help you learn algorithmic trading easier and quicker. There will be a quiz and assignment that will improve your skills, and you will gain the confidence knowing what you're doing. My team has prepared closed captions for the course, which you can use to understand the terminology better. I would suggest you do not skip any lectures, and in this way you will learn it all gradually, and by the end of the course you will see real examples of how to do algorithmic trading. I hope you enjoy the course, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask me.